Hello and welcome back to Music Mitra. My name is Bindu Nair. Today we are going to discuss the Ragam Kalyani. Kalyani is a major Ragam in Carnatic music. It is the 65th Melakarta Ragam. In the Melakarta scheme we call it Mecha Kalyani. It is the most prominent raga we can say in the Pratimadhyama segment, that is the raga starting with Ma 2 or Pratimadhyamam, which are ragas from number 37 to 72. So there is not a composer who has not composed in this beautiful Ragam Kalyani. When a student learns music right at the Geetham level, he or she is introduced to Kalyani. Now, this Ragam, learning this Ragam gives a major shift initially from what one is used to. Like, you start the lessons with the Ragam Mayamalavagowla, where we are using Sa, Shuddha Rishabham, Antara Gandharam, Shuddha Madhyamam, Panchamam, Shuddha Devatam and Kakali Nishadam. That is the scale for Mayamalavagowla. And then when we come to Kalyani, there is a major shift in three swaras. Re becomes the higher version of Re, Ga remains the same, Ma goes into the higher version of Ma, and Dha again goes into the higher version of Dha. Not only that, Kalyani is a raga which has a lot of gamakas. So for a student trying to learn Kalyani, it is a bit challenging in the beginning. So today I want to just break it down in such a way that a beginner can understand this ragam. So let us connect it with Mayamalavagowla that you already know. So what did we learn in Mayamalavagowla? Sa, Re, Ga, Ma, Pa, Da, Ni, Sa. So this was small Re, big Ga, small Ma, small Dha and big Ni. Now you just shift the Re up. Sa, Re, Ga. Ga is the same. Ma, higher Ma. So initially to change that Ma, it is a little difficult, right? So first we learn to sing Shankarabharanam. Now you will ask me, why am I going to that now when I am supposed to learn Kalyani? That is a route map. So we touch Shankarabharanam and then deviate to Kalyani. That is easier for a student to understand. Why? Because we just have to change two swaras to sing Shankarabharanam, whereas Kalyani we have to change three swaras, right? So let us first try singing Shankarabharanam. Sa, Re, Ga, Ma, Pa, Da, Ni, Sa. Sa, Ni, Da, Pa, Ma, Ga, Re, Sa. So what did we do here? From Sa, Re, Ga in Mayamalavagowla, we changed to Sa, Re, Ga, Ma. That's all changed. Sa, Re, Ga, Ma became Sa, Re, Ga, Ma. Pa, Da we sang in Mayamalavagowla. Here we will shift the Da up. Pa, Da, Ni, Sa. Ni is the same. Sa, Ni, Da, Pa, Ma, Ga, Re, Sa. This is Shankarabharanam. Now that we've reached Shankarabharanam, we just have to change one note to get Kalyani. So what do? From Shankarabharanam, we just change the Ma to Pratimadhyamam. So Sa, Re, Ga, Ma, Pa, Da, Ni, Sa. Sa, Ni, Da, Pa, Ma, Ga, Re, Sa. So this is an easier way of understanding the swaras of Kalyani. So let us summarize what we learned today. We took the basic ragam of Mayamalavagowla, tweaked it a bit to get a Ragam Shankarabharanam. What did we do? We changed the Re and the Dha into the bigger versions. Then we got the Ragam Shankarabharanam. Then what did we do? From Shankarabharanam, you just change the Ma to the higher Ma and you get the Ragam Kalyani. So this is what I wanted to explain to all those who are struggling to understand the Ragam Kalyani. And what do we learn first in this Ragam? We learn the beautiful Geetham Kamalajadala. Sa 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 ni dha ni sa ni dha pa ma pa ga ma pa da dha ni dha pa ma pa ga re sa da ni da ga re ga ma pa ma ga re sa ga ma pa da pa ni dha pa ma pa ga ma pa da ni dha pa ma pa ga re sa da ni da ga re ga ma pa ma ga re sa The Sahityam is Kamalajadala Vimalasnayana Karivaradakaru nambude Karunasharade Kamala Kanta Kamsa naraka Suravibedana Varadave-ela Surapurothama Karunasharade Kamala Kanta. So hope you enjoyed today's introduction to Raga Kalyani for beginners of Carnatic music. If you like such videos, make sure to subscribe to this channel, share this channel with friends, and also take time out to give a comment or two below. You can even ask your questions if you have. This will help me create more videos that are helpful for music students out there. Thank you so much for watching, and if you wish to join our live class every Saturday where we are revising the basics of Carnatic music along with Geethams, for this requirement you should have had some training in Carnatic music earlier on. You have covered this and few of the Geethams, then you can join this batch to revise the basics and learn Geethams. This happens every Saturday at 5 p.m. Indian Standard Time. If you're interested, just message your WhatsApp number in the comment below and we will get back to you with the details. Just mention Saturday class with your number and we will send you the details and the link to join. Thank you so much. See you soon with another video. Until then, keep learning music, keep singing daily. Let us create a beautiful musical world out there. Thank you. Bye.